How to install the before and after Elfsight to Wix. The first thing you want to do once you're on your Wix website, you can choose where you would like to add it. So for instance, you can choose to add a new section by tapping on add section, or you could choose to add a new page by going over to the left hand column. You could tap on the third icon and select pages and menu. And from there, we could tap on add page and you could add a new page. So let's say for instance, I'll just quickly add a blank page. Now after doing this, what I want you to do next is open a new tab and you're going to go onto elfsight.com, or I'm going to be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. Once on elfsight.com, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner and hover over widgets. Then you're going to select before and after slider. After doing that, you're going to tap on create widget for free. Then you can scroll down and you can see the different widget options that you could choose from. So you can either use this one, you could use this one, which is a product comparison, or you could select this one. So whichever one of these options catches your eye. So I'll be using this one for example's sake. Then we're going to tap on continue with this template. After tapping on continue with this template, from here you'll be able to add your image. So you're going to tap on the image option from the top left hand column and you're going to add the before. By selecting before, you'll be able to add your before image. Then you can select after and you can add the image. And you could also add a caption if you want. Once you're finished doing that, you could go over to the left hand column and you could select settings. And from there, you can edit the image ratio. So you could change the ratio if you want. You can also change the direction from horizontal to vertical. So you can see right there. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on add to website for free. After tapping on add to website for free, you'll be redirected to this page and you're going to select publish in the top right hand corner. Then you have a few options. You can either use one of their paid plans, depending on the amount of views that you'll be getting. But for this example, we'll be selecting the free plan. After selecting the free plan, you're just going to copy the code. Once you have copied the code, you can go back into Wix and we're going to go over to the top left hand corner, select add elements. After tapping on add elements, you're going to select embed code. Then you're going to select embed HTML and you're going to paste in your code right here. And you're going to select update. After tapping on update, you can see that it has been added. Now all you'll need to do is simply pull on the box right here to adjust the size to your liking. As you can see right there. And that's it. So now that we have done it, if we were to select preview in the top right hand corner, you can see how it looks. As you can see right there. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.